Back sa our channel. So this is Melina and we're back for another day. So for today's video nga po pala, may sasabihin ako guys. Diba, kilala niyo naman yung kapatid ko na. Yung pinakita ko sa tignan niyo yung short vlog ko. Or siya. Nasa unahan yun guys. Tignan niyo. And, yeah, ayan siya, ayan. Pinaliguan ko yan, guys. Pagtapos ko paligo, naglinis ako. CR muna bago kusina. And then, natapos ko na yung CR and kusina. Kapag meron pa akong time, lilinisin ko din yung loob namin. Yes, lilinisin ko din. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo walang kalat O, diba? O, ayan lang yung kalat. Ayan lang. Ayan lang yung kalat. Ayan. Kasi lalagyan na ng mga sabay yan. Ayan. Linis guys Ayan, nagkuskus din ako ng mga tsinelas. And, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ayan. Ayan guys, lilinis ko yan. Ayan. Ang daming kalat niya kanina, pero ngayon. Ayan. Eto, guys. Ayan. Kita niyo ba yan, guys? Ayan. Wala yan dyan. Pero nung nilinis ko, okay na. Gumanda na siya. Guys. Hey guys, ayan. Kaya ako inalok kasi maghugas na yun na dede. Ay. For the go. Ayan. Naglagay din ako ng sign sa may lutoan namin. Actually, ito na yung pinakakusina namin
Huwag mo tapakan yan, pipitikin kita.
Tapak yun, guys. Naglagay din ako ng sign. Wait. Okay ko.
Hindi mo, baby.
Naglagay din ako ng sign, guys. Ano kayang magandang itawag sa mga viewers ko or followers ko? Comment kayo sa comment section. Let's go. Yan. Yan.
No, there's definitely something in the way. What do you mean?
Makalat yung bahay namin. Kaya bawal ko muna ipakita sa inyo because kuha tayo.
I've stopped distinguishing that too. I think he needs to get close to the target. Yeah, if I were him, I'd stick that damn dart right in the center too.
He can't hit it from a meter away. That's a real anti-record.
I can't believe he's really that bad at darts. I think he's onto something.
I think he should get a new set of hands.
A watch? What is he going to do with it? Okay, this one definitely has to have logic. But so far, I don't understand it.
Maybe he wants to freeze time? I'm becoming more and more convinced that you share a similar intellect.
Look, he did it! Now he'll know exactly what's going on.
Will he realize that he's a Darcy?
Let's see what he does, though. I'll prove to you right now that this was
Yan, nilagay ko dito.
professionalism.
If it turns out to be true, I take it back.
Come on, bro, don't screw it up this time.
So far, the dart is flying pretty smooth.
Kuya,
What could possibly go wrong?
kita.
Look, it's flying right
Sama
at the
kita sa vlog
target.
natin.
That's pretty weird. What would have to happen for him to miss?
I told you it's a force field! I knew it was there! Wait, what the darts just...
Mama!
Okay, I apologize, but what the hell just
Ate
happened?
guys.
Force field right down the
So, di na lang tatapos ang ating vlog, babos. I-upload ko na lang din yung paglinis ng bahay.
Oh no, I think it might be going a little over.
Bye-bye!
Breaking! Watch out!